Yo guys, I hope y'all doing awesome and as you can see from the title of the video, we're gonna make an absolutely epic game in raylib with no experience at all. So if y'all don't know what raylib is a library for C++, which makes your life a whole lot easier if you're trying to make games in it. And it's quite popular on the internet, and there's a lot of help and support for it. So we're gonna use this one for our project. Let's just make a little game to give me a feel for this library. Here I define the header files that I'm going to be using. As you can see, I'm using raylib right there. Then let's make a variable score to keep track of it. Then we define a structure vector 2 because I'm going to be using that a lot as well. Then I made a class paddle and gave it its variables, and I made two methods, one to draw and one to move it up and down. In draw, let's make a rectangle of a blue color, and in the second function, I just check if any of the keys are pressed, and if they are pressed, I just move it up and down, and that's the paddle done. Okay, so now let's make another class for the ball and give it some more variables. And let's make three functions. One to draw, update, and check collision. And in the draw function, we just make it a little fucking ball because it's a loser fucking ass ball. And in the update position function, we just increment it with speed. And if the position dot x is more than the size of the screen, we flip the fucking x variable and flip the fucking speed variable as well, because the ball should go in the opposite direction, and we reduce the score too because the it's on the x-axis. But if the same happens on the y-axis, we do not subtract the score, so that's a different part. Okay, so in our final function, we check if the position x of the ball is within the range of position x of the paddle, and position y of the ball is within range of position y of the paddle. So it means both the entities are overlapping. So we just flip the speed vector yet again and increase the score because it bounced off the paddle. Here we have our game done, and you can see that it's just a simple Pong game. The shit works how it's supposed to. I added a little score counter to it at top. And yeah, that's just it. That's how you make a simple Pong game in raylib.